even doing here?
There are two ways that diamond's coming out of you. This way, or this way. That's what I thought. Also, I'm out of groceries.
So, how long you been a mercenary?
Hey, where did you get...
You're so busy looking at my right hand, you haven't even thought about my
Your left hand is cuffed to mine. I'll have to learn that one.
Can we get this?
You're not gonna try to run, are you?
Look, if there's really half metal in my head, I figure I'm better off with the person who's not gonna cut me open.
Fine. But if you try to run, I will kill you. I do not care that you're a kid. I saw that.
Seriously, though, how'd you get to be here? I mean, shopping at fancy-ass stores, you're making bank, you have your own business. How'd you do it? Come on, tell me. Woman to woman. Being a pickpocket's fine and all, but I got real potential. I mean, how do I be like you? Well, except for the crazy part, but other than that.
Number one, no one is like me. If you wanted to even come close, you would have to go to medical school, become a psychiatrist, work in an asylum, fall in love with your patient, break said patient out of said asylum, begin a life of crime, jump into a vat of chemicals to prove yourself to a madman, get arrested by the Batman, go back to jail, get out of jail with a bomb in your neck, save the world, go back to jail and break out of jail before breaking up with the aforementioned madman and going out on your own. Number two, $6 for tap water with a fucking cucumber stick in it? That's crazy. I'm not shopping at this store. I'm robbing this store. Consider this your first lesson. Paying is for dummies.